Hello and good morning student. Myself Kritika and I am going to teach you about English grammar. English grammar parts of speech. This is my mobile number. If you have any query you can call and ask me about the query. So we are going to start the grammar. You have already studied about noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, and preposition. As you know, you have already studied about this part of the speech: noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, and preposition. Now, today I am going to explain you about the conjunction and interjection. Seventh is conjunction, and eighth is interjection. So this is the eighth part of the speech: noun, pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So let's start about the conjunction. A conjunction connects word or group of words for example, and, but, so, and etc. This is about the conjunction. A conjunction connect words or group of words are called conjunction. जो वर्ड्स एक दूसरे को कनेक्ट करता है उस वर्ड को हम कंजंक्शन कहते हैं. तो उसमें आ जाता है एग्जांपल एंड, बट, सो, एक्सेट्रा. इज इट ओके? देन लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ इंटरजेक्शन. What is interjection? Interjection are words that express sudden feelings. मतलब जो हम लोग अचानक से एक्सप्रेस करते हैं किसी को देख के या कुछ गलत होते हुए देख के, उसे हम इंटरजेक्शन कहते हैं. सो इंटरजेक्शन आर वर्ड्स that express our sudden feelings. For example, wow, oh, alas, etc. So this is the definition of interjection. The interjection are words that express our sudden feelings are called interjection. For example, wow, oh, alas, etc. As you know, we have studied this about this previous also. We are just taking the revision of the parts of speech. So please note down the definition of this conjunction and interjection Now I am going to give you some questions about conjunction and interjection. So you have to do this homework. First question is about conjunction. So underline the conjunction. First, Ram and Shyam are going to school. This is the first question. Just look at this. Ram and Shyam are going to school. The word which is connecting to the sentence, which are those words? The. So then the is the conjunction. Then underline the word and. Second, he is poor but honest. Here the conjunction and the joining word is but. So but is the conjunction. Third, I like to play cricket while my sister likes badminton. Then tell me what is the joining word is here. Here it is the joining word is while. While is connecting the two sentences. So the conjunction is while. This is the question regarding conjunction. Note down in your copy and underline the conjunction. After this, we are going to give you some question about interjection. Here, please copy the question about interjection. Question is, make sentences using interjection. So here we have to make some sentences which I am giving you option. You have to make the sentences of that interjection words. Okay? Please note down the question. First, O. Second, wow. Third, Allah. So this is the three words from which you have to make the sentences. First is O, second is wow, and third is Allah. First we have to make the sentence from O. O, I missed you. Then wow. Wow. Alash, Alash, I heard my leg. Here the some words and sentences I have already given make it. So please note down in your copy and do the homework properly. तो आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.